I've spent 200 hours on learning and wasting credits on Seedance 2.0 so you don't have to. And so I've built a system, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. This entire cinematic intro was built from 3 images, and here's exactly how. First, I took my base image into Higgsfield using Nano Banana Pro. I am using myself as a reference image and typed the editorial prompt. Put him in a full body shot wearing cyberpunk, neon, glowing black coat outfit with electrical energy streaming through translucent wires, make him look like a main character. Then I don't regenerate, I control it. Editorial, show him from his backside. Now I create the enemy. Core prompt, a pink blob, one-eyed monster in black background. Then push it further, make it look more evil. Now we move to the expensive part. This is where most people start guessing, and every guess costs credits. So instead, we remove randomness. We upload all 3 images into Seedance 2.0, and now the prompt becomes controlled cinema. You don't say, make cinematic scene. You say exactly this, single continuous shot, third-person tracking camera locked onto a pure black energy streak. Okay, I know I've spent 200 hours on wasting credits, but I'm not going to waste another 200 hours wasting your time by reading the whole prompts. Feel free to pause to read them later. Now this does one thing, it removes interpretation. Seedance is no longer deciding, you are. Now we switch perspective completely, from control to chaos. This is contrast. And contrast keeps retention alive. And here's where most creators mess up. They try to make everything look good, but good-looking videos still fail because they repeat information, not meaning. Now let's switch styles completely. Same tools, different intent. We create a luxury watch. Core, create a high-level premium expensive diamond watch named Dorex. Yes, Dorex, I know I stole 2 brand names and combined them into one. Sue me. Anyway. Then we extract control layers, remove the watch from the image. Give me a macro shot from the side where the button is. Give me the same watch floating above the sand, visible with all its details and parts. Now give me a more macro shot of the watch pieces. Now we go back to Seedance, and instead of chaos, we use precision camera. Ultra macro cinematic camera, slow precision tracking, controlled focus pulls, mechanical timing, and this is the result. This is not AI anymore, this is directing. Now here's something most people don't know, and this alone saves credits. Instead of generating angles one by one, you generate a grid. Make him a superhero like Mark from Invincible in anime-style hero outfit. Then, create a 2x3 grid view for more angles. Same for the villain. Make me a blue Battle Beast version from Invincible in the same anime style. Then again, create a 2x3 grid view for more angles. Now Seedance reads one image as multiple camera references. That means less generations, more control, lower cost. Then you animate the fight. Now your scene has real choreography, not random movement. Now watch this. When you give Seedance full freedom, this happens. Looks insane, but it's unpredictable. Then try something simple. A 2D person fights a 3D person with lots of VFX. And you'll see the truth. Without control, results vary. That's why most people waste credits. So here's the system. You don't generate more, you define better. Images lock identity, editorial controls variation, Seedance executes motion, that's it. Now look at this. This right here is a small part of the PDF, not theory. Actual prompts, clean, structured, ready to paste into Seedance 2.0. Inside it, you get 28 high-precision prompts built exactly like the ones you just saw. And here's the part most people will miss. There's also a secret Seedance 2.0 prompt generator. You copy it once, paste it into ChatGPT, and it starts generating structured prompts for you. So instead of burning credits trying to figure it out, you're just executing. If you want that, it's in the description. Take it, or just keep guessing.